Hello everyone, my name is Queen. So today I will tell you about how to do the income audit in a hotel industry. So to do the daily income audit, so you will inspect records and documents to support the hotel accountant with help of improvement in the existent occurrence, the accuracy and the completeness of the account balance, transactions, and disclosure. So it's just about the theory. So to do the income audit, so you just open the day part because daily will you will have a day part of it's just paperwork, the documents. So you open it and check from the beginning to the end. And so I will manually trace the postage charge, for example, the manual room charge and the incidental charge. For incidental charge, this is about, for example, the car parking, the laundry, about laundry transactions from guests, and you check those with guest acknowledgement to make sure that the front desk they charge and deposit the correct amounts to the correct accounts. And to check it, you will have to inspect the supporting documents. So, for example, the yes, so for example, some of the so for example, the credit card transactions. So they will have the tax invoice attached together with the posting journal, and you check the amount that posted in the posting journal and the amount in the tax invoice. For some credit card transactions, they will have the chargeback attached together with it, so you will also check it. And so, for example, for the cash payment, you will check the guest signature to make sure that they check the guests already check the amount and decide for it if it's real payment. Okay, and also we use HMS system to check uh guest folio and other records to support the income audit. And we also trace the reversals of charge. For example, the refund above $150. So we will check it whether or not it have the signature of authorization. If not, we have to give it to the general manager, for example, to sign for us. And also to answer the final one is to ensure that the daily transactions are following the hotel procedure and policies. So that's it about the income audit. So now we will move to the accounts receivable. So to do the accounts receivable, this is about you keep tracing the AR with hotel accountant to evaluate their accountability. So in the day part, after you check everything, I will leave the direct bill at the end, and when I check everything, I will back to the direct bill and then check it. So to check the direct bill account, I will check the posted amounts and I check it together with the guest folio, for example, payments amount, and the chargeback. Just make sure one guest folio payments attached together with one chargeback, and I will check the chargeback. Is it correct? Yes. Is the name match or not match? And the amount, the room rate, it match or not? It match or not? And after check it all, so I will go to the HMS system, check for the pending charge, and post batch. I post batch, and then I go to the property account. So I search for a specific account, for example, Expedia, Corporate Traveler, and then I generate invoice. After generating invoice, I will print the invoice out, and then I attach it together with the chargeback, and I scan it to the computer. Scan it again to the computer. So the old one is the guest folio attached together with the chargeback, but now we generate the invoice and we attach the tax invoice together with the chargeback, and then we scan it again to the computer. So after you scan everything to the computer, so you will check for the travel agent email. We will use the Outlook, MS Outlook, or we will use the travel agent extranet to send invoice. So for some travel agent, they prefer to use a particular format of invoice. So we will prepare a specific format for them and then send it as the request. So that's it. It's about AI invoice. One more thing, and we will keep tracing some unpaid AI invoice. Uh, sorry, keep tracing some AI that haven't paid us yet, and if it over, for example, over 30 days of a month, so we have to contact them. Yeah, we have to contact them again and send invoice again to make sure that everything will be okay. Yeah, we will trace them to make sure they will pay us. It's about tracing in AR and invoicing. So now move to the daily revenue report, DRR. So to do the daily revenue report, it's just about the preparation of and submissions of reports and statements from the daily records in the documents, or it's just about the records to the records. So for example, so to do the DIR, I will go to the HMS system and I download file from SMS system, for example, a posting journal, hotel lecture comparison, hotel statistic, and one more thing is the posting journal. The most important one is the posting journal. You shouldn't ever forget it. Okay. And so then you open the DRR Excel file that we have a specific format for every single hotel. So you input the data from the posting journal, from the AI posting journal, or the hotel ledger, or the hotel statistic to the DRR Excel files. It may be about it's in the internal management file that our hotel used to easier to track the daily revenue. So just copy and paste just to make sure that you copy the correct amount to the correct accounts. Yep, that's it. And next come to the income bank reconciliation. So about bank reconciliation is just about you reconcile the statements and reports to obtain the proofs of no difference between transactions in bank statement. So it's about you just have to keep tracing and matching unreconciled items on bank accounts. Okay, one more important thing of an accountant, and it is maybe just assistant. So it is about do account payable. So to do account payable, it is about you assist the hotel accountant in managing the AP process, matters, and timely payment of supplier invoices. So in this case, I will use the check SCM system to create purchase request, which called PR, and checking purchase order, which called PO, against invoices, and then receiving the invoices with the accuracy and completeness. So yeah, just that's it. Just create PR, check the PO against the invoices, and then receive the invoice to check the accuracy and the completeness. That's it. Thank you.